Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we have beautiful conditions out there once again. This continued stretch of nice weather is going to continue for today, but unfortunately come to an end as we get into the nighttime hours tonight and into the day on Friday, as we'll see some significant rainfall potentially impacting the Wallops region this weekend, with some showers and thunderstorms possible really as we go through most of the weekend, even into Sunday. We'll see the potential of still seeing some unsettled weather across the region. Taking a look at our current conditions from yesterday, you can see temperatures generally running in the 80s for daytime highs, 89 degrees here at Richmond, 80 degrees here at Wallops. A little cooler off to our north. As you can see, Dover coming in with 78 degrees, Ocean City at 77. Overnight last night, temperatures generally running in the 60s and 70s, 66 degrees, the cool spot in Salisbury, 70 degrees here at Wallops. And no measurable precipitation over the last 24 hours. And as of 9 a.m., we see temperatures generally running in the 70s for the 9 a.m. hour under cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions throughout the region. Taking a look at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, the freezing level was at 16,000 feet. And our winds at 1,000 feet were at the south-southwest at 11 knots, continuing that south-southwest to southwesterly direction as we go up through the first 3,000 feet of the atmosphere. And then we see more of a west to northwest wind component as we go all the way up to 25,000 feet, where we see a wind of 19 knots. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, that frontal boundary still remains off to our south this morning. High pressure in control of our weather, providing us with some pretty comfortable conditions. We are seeing a little bit of a southerly flow as we're seeing a little bit more moisture brought into the region, a little bit more humidity over the last day or two, but all in all, pretty comfortable for the end of July, with high temperatures expected today in the mid-80s. Looking at our radar satellite composite, you can see really no precipitation to be concerned with out there so far this morning. We have seen some very widely scattered showers right off the coast this morning, but they are very isolated and not expected to impact the Wallops region here over the course of the next several hours as we go into the afternoon today. And then as we go into the evening hours, things will change a bit as we have a little piece of energy that will be moving through the region, providing us with a chance of some showers and thunderstorms. Looking at the midday planner here, mostly cloudy skies expected to continue with that high pressure off the coast. We're seeing a southerly flow around that area of high pressure, bringing us again some more humidity for today, but we're expecting dry conditions for the most part until we get into the evening hours. As you can see by tonight, as we see an upper level disturbance move over the Wallops region, we'll see a chance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms impacting the region later on tonight and into the wee hours of tomorrow morning. Looking ahead to Friday morning, you can see a little bit of leftover convection still over the Wallops region by this point. I think most of that activity will be done by the time the morning begins tomorrow with sunrise. We'll see those showers and thunderstorms moving out of the area, and just generally seeing a mostly cloudy sky during that time period, catching a little bit of a break in the action before we see potential increasing once again during the afternoon, and especially during the evening hours of Friday. As that frontal boundary approaches the region, we'll see scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the area. Some of those storms could produce some heavy rainfall as well as they move through the region Friday evening into the overnight period of Friday. That's looking like at this point in time our best chance for seeing some heavy rainfall throughout the area. So go into the day on Saturday, that front will be slow to move off the coast. We'll also see an area of low pressure begin to develop along the mid-Atlantic coast, providing us with continued chances for showers and thunderstorms during the day on Saturday. Looking like those showers and thunderstorms could even linger into the day on Sunday, with potential of some pretty breezy conditions along the coast as well, as that area of low pressure wraps up and intensifies as it moves off to the north and east. So certainly something to keep an eye on as we go into the weekend. It was looking like some better weather conditions expected for the latter portion of the weekend, but right now looking like those showers and thunderstorms could linger into Sunday, with some particularly breezy conditions along the coast as well, if that area of low pressure intensifies as much as some of the models are indicating now. So taking a look at our 24-hour forecast and what we can expect today. Again, looks like most of the precipitation chances will hold off until later this evening. At about 8 o'clock, we'll enter the chance of about a 35% chance of a shower or thunderstorm in the area, continuing into the midnight hour, where we'll see probably the best chance for shower and thunderstorm activity here at Wallops right around midnight tonight. Those showers and thunderstorms coming to an end early in the morning tomorrow morning, with again possibly a break in the action during the morning hours of Friday. Again, looking at a high temperature today of 84, an overnight low tonight right around 74 degrees, and generally those winds will remain out of a south to southwesterly direction as we go through the next 24 hours. Taking a look at the next couple of days into the weekend, things not looking all that great, as you see lots of color on the chart here indicating the hazardous weather conditions. Friday seeing mostly cloudy skies with a chance of showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon. Again, looking at most of that activity that we will see tonight being out of here by tomorrow morning, with a better chance arriving in the afternoon on Friday with a daytime high of 84 degrees. And again, those hazards, about a 16 to 40% chance for precipitation and lightning within 10 miles here at Wallops. As we go into Friday evening, we'll see the chances really starting to increase with those showers and thunderstorms. Again, some of the storms could be strong with heavy rain and frequent lightning. We'll see an overnight low temperature of 70. And then for Saturday, those showers and thunderstorms continue through the region. Mostly cloudy skies with those storms. Again, some of those storms could be strong on Saturday as well, with heavy rainfall and frequent lightning. Looking for a daytime high on Saturday of 80 degrees. Taking a look at our next 7 days, again, looking at a pretty unsettled forecast for us this weekend, especially as we go into the Friday night time period. That looks like at this point to be the best chance for seeing that significant weather as that frontal boundary makes its way toward the Wallops region, with the heavy rain and some strong thunderstorm activity as well associated with that. As we go into Saturday and Sunday, again, it looks like area low pressure will develop along the mid-Atlantic coast in association with that pretty potent upper level disturbance that will be moving toward the mid-Atlantic coastline on Saturday. Looking for a high temperature of 80 degrees with those showers and thunderstorms continuing scattered throughout the day. And then as we go into Sunday, that area of low pressure along the coast looks to linger and produce some pretty breezy conditions on Sunday. Sunday could end up being our windiest day of the weekend as that area of low pressure wraps up and intensifies off the coast. Looking at the potential for some scattered showers and thunderstorms to continue during the day on Sunday. Best chance looks to be during the morning hours of Sunday, but can't rule out that those chances will continue into the afternoon of Sunday. Looking at cooler conditions as well, with a high of 75 on Sunday, and then a rebound in our temperatures beginning on Monday as that low pulls off the coast and high pressure rebuilds over the area. Looking at temperatures of 80, 84, and 85 to begin next week. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 for our short-term weather briefing, and at 10 o'clock taking a look at our extended forecast. Have a nice day.